Now we can steer the spaceship, but it can fly off the edge of the screen. We don't want that, so we need to limit how far it can move. To do this, we'll check the spaceship's X position using a comparison operator, and stop the spaceship if it goes too far by assigning a new value to the X position variable. To do that, click the Code tab, then click Operators, and drag the less than icon to the script workspace. Now enter -240 in the box to the right of the less than sign. Click Motion, and drag the X position icon into the box to the left of the less than sign. Next, click Control, and drag the if-then icon to the script workspace and attach it to the end of the thread inside the forever loop. Now drag the X position less than -240 into the if hexagon. Next, click Motion, and drag the Set X to icon between the if pincers. Now enter -240 in the value oval. This code limits the X position variable so that it's never less than -240, which is the left edge of the screen. Now, use what you've learned to create code that prevents the spaceship from flying off the right-hand side of the screen. Here's a hint. This code is very similar to the left motion limiter, except in this case you check if X position is greater than +240, and if so, set the X position equal to +240. So pause this video to try it yourself, or continue playing to see how it's done. Now the steering function is done. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.